slow touch, brown and white. Like I go country, grab and buy. We can go bust, eye for eye. We can lose trust. White rum, fizzy pop. Where you they go, we they go up. Catch my vibe, let me go off. Blam the trash, man it's so tough.
Alright yo, put the belly on the body, make a catch. See no watch, now she wanna give crutch. Boy got peas, now she hopping in the pod. Man a real life sugar gal, and my forget what.
If you try this funny sun dog, you broke up. Watch out now. Crash. But me make it through. So I'm here another morning. Exercise. This time me have four and Cosmo company. You see it? Corey. You know what the best thing? Nothing better than when you exercise and you listen to gospel. You feel redeemed. You feel stress free. You feel safe. You see it? May I tell you how I feel right now? Nothing else but gospel when I run the morning time. Yeah man. I hope you all keep safe and enjoy your days. God bless.
You see what I go on? I'm going boom. That the funny pro go, you know. Trey Dog want to prove something right now. And Trey Dog try to salad him. Corey intercept. And Cosmo goes to bumps and Trey Dog intercept, he slide. Oh my god. Alright.
A good one, lad.
Trey Dog have the ball right now. Cosmo try to intercept it. Trey Dog try to beat him, but he try. Alright, this look like Trey Dog is gonna get a salad. No, he try to pile him around. Trey Dog, pre. Trey Dog, stop. Cosmo is gonna pre his object. Oh my god, he nearly get the salad. He gonna try to pilot Trey Dog. Watch the ball. Watch it, watch it, watch it. And he flick it. Oh my god! Oh my god! He nearly get it. Yeah, dog.
So how was the exercise?
Exercise was productively well. Is that even a word though? I lost the breath, so I pronounced the word wrong.
Realize.
Productive. What am I say?
Productively or something like so.
I try to catch your breath, so I chat foolishly. Sorry, my bad. Trey will edit that out, bro.
Where people them with the sickness?
No matter where. When you wanna talk about Corona and no, we say it, and then Corona say myself not busy where you want name. But them I say the persons them with the Corona when I show symptoms, me go say it name asymmetry. But that was another day. When I try to catch your breath, so I'm chat foolishness. But Trey, please tell the viewers what the word is.
Asymptomatic.
And then me say what?
Asymptomatic.
Anyway.
Asymmetry.
I try to catch my breath.
Oh boy.
When I say what asymmetry?
Asymmetry. Yo, me don't remember him.
You don't catch that, man.
Yeah.
Get that. Oh.
Wanna subscribe, you know? No, that I see brilliantly. Manchester United want you.
Ready?
Yeah. Coming back, coming back, coming back, coming back. Who that? Power done, power done, power done, power done. The Blue Lagoon. I mean, from Sansan to Blue Lagoon in a Portland. Them say where the Portland.
One.
Yeah, man, I saw me there watch and the man them a load the bus, man. Them say Portland or the Courtland. You see me? It's just a slang.
But then say early morning, see?
You know what I mean? So, you know, I'll take a dive.
Yeah, Jaja.
Walk in there, go back. Joe, you give extra.
We are the champion.
Yeah, Wally for Godfather. First you that makes it with so much Godfather too.
You see how my sonny?
You know that?
Eh?
Me I say first you see with so much Godfather.
You know dead, man. You see me and Shana fi turn one widow.
I can't with it, no.
No, fi padlock. No, you not care. You have to turn widow see you. What?
I poor me think that no count.
Oh, me think,
Come on, la.
Yeah.
oh, me think I like when they married.
Come on, la. I say, come on, la. This is the woman. Can let anything happen, you know?
So Cosmo, come in, we'll dive one time. New video for them. Power, come in. 3 hours go off for one time. Headers. Me there in my glass, so I'm on the out. 3. Yo, I'm gonna choke off dog. Yo, dog, come here and shoot dog.
Wait, that's our jumper.
Yo, I think big splash that, you know?
Yeah.